Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking through a quick video tour of our VW Tiguan. So this is our 59 plate VW Tiguan. It's the R-Line 4Motion. It's covered just over 114,000 miles from new. Has only had 2 previous owners, with the last owning it since 2012. Whilst in our care, we've replaced both rear tyres, both rear disc and pads, giving it fresh MOT with no advisories and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. It's got really good service history. Clearly been well looked after. The cambelt was replaced back in 2021 at about 91,000 miles, along with a new clutch and flywheel. And overall, the car's in really good condition for the age and mileage. Clearly been looked after. Inside, you've got AM, FM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning, steering wheel controls. It's all looking really nice in here. It's nice having the R-Line spec because you get the nice little badge of flat bottom steering wheel. R-Line badges everywhere. Does look really nice. Loads of legroom in the back. This is a very practical car. Again, all in really nice condition. And you've also got a lovely big practical boot to match. Very spacious car, this. Really nice to drive, does look really nice, this being the R-Line as well. Nice big 19-inch alloy wheels, a couple of styling bits on it. As I say, it's in really good condition for the age and mileage. Couple little marks here and there, but nothing you wouldn't expect for a car of this age and mileage. Very well looked after, low owners, great service history, ready to go to its new owner. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.